Hey Armcandy gang, welcome back to Armcandy. Today's bag is gorgeous. It's a coach bag, it's a kind of tote, crossbody, shoulder, multi-purpose, multifunction, but look at that leather. Beautiful grained leather in that gorgeous shade of brown. It really is a beautiful, beautiful bag. Double top handles, a long strap that is removable and also adjustable. It's got this fantastic feature on the front, a little clasp, coach clasp on the front. On the base, there's 4 base studs, but it also has this little stud as well, the coach there, which rolls or wraps round to protect the bottom there. You've got that on both sides. Okay, so it is a top zip closure. Let's see if I can tick that so you can see the beautiful coach zip pull. And it also has a little press stud fasten just here. So I'm going to just undo the press stud and undo the zip so that the zip comes completely undone. But you could, if you wanted to, keep the zip undone and just fasten the press stud. So you'd have a bit more of an easy access, but it still keeps it together. It's a very, very clever design. And then inside, beautiful coach lining. There's a coach badge just here. There is 1 zipped pocket there. And then on the other side, 2 flat pockets there. And it's a really big, nice space. I'll pop it on so you can get an idea of the size. The exact measurements are on the website. I am 5'4", a UK size 10, and the long strap is on the medium setting. So it can go both higher and lower depending on how tall you are, depending on where you like your bag to sit. It's really beautiful, isn't it? I think that clasp really adds to the beauty of the bag. It comes with the coach dust bag. So the condition, the exterior is in good condition. There is just some signs of wear. Can you see here on the bottom corners? Just there. But apart from that, the rest of the exterior is fantastic. So overall, good for the exterior. The interior is in excellent condition. There is nothing for me to show you. It's absolutely pristine. And the hardware is very good condition because of the studs. All of this that you can see is excellent condition. It's absolutely stunning. The only reason it's not quite got the excellent mark is because there is some signs of wear. There you go, to the base studs. You can see some signs of scratching there, and again on that one. There you go. If I tilt it, it catches the light. Okay, so signs of wear for the base, but the rest of the hardware is absolutely beautiful. So I think you'll agree, a gorgeous little useful staple bag. I think it feels beautiful. Okay. So there's a link if you want to have a look. There's a link if you want to go and have a look at this bag in the comments below. Before you go, remember to like the video and hit the bell. But then go to the comments below, hit the link, it will take you straight to this coach bag. But also, whilst you're on the website, you'll be able to see all about other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets. And if you are a bag lover, remember to sign up to the newsletter. You just scroll to the bottom of any page on our website, and there's a little box, you pop your email address in, and the reason it's so good is you will get sent a discount code, and you'll be able to use that discount code on your first purchase. So just fill the little thing in with your email address. We will immediately send you your discount code. If you don't get it immediately, so if you don't get it within say 60 seconds, check your spam folder because it's perhaps gone in there. But yeah, have a lovely rest of your day, and we'll see you back here for tomorrow's bag.